Sometimes I hate every single stupid word you say. Sometimes I wanna slap you in your whole face. There's no one quite like you. You push all my buttons down. I know life would suck without you. At the same time, I wanna hug you. I wanna wrap my hands around your neck. You're an asshole, but I love you. And you make me so mad, I ask myself why I'm still here. Or where could I go? You're the only love I've ever known. But I hate you, I really hate you so much, I think it must be true.